Good evening, students. Welcome back to our BSc third year physics quantum mechanics class. In last lecture, we discussed about the probability current density, Schrodinger's time dependent wave equation, Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss another important point related with the quantum mechanics, that is expectation value. What is by expectation value and how we can find out the expectation value of position, momentum, that we have to discuss. To relate a quantum mechanics calculations to something you can observe in the laboratory, the expectation value of the measurable parameter is calculated. In that case, we have to use such kind of formulas. For the position x, the expectation value is defined as expectation value of x is equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity psi star x of t into x psi x of t dx, or you can write integration minus infinite to plus infinite x into mod of psi x of t square dx. This integral can be interpreted as the average value of x that we would expect to obtain from a large number of measurements. Means expectation value means what? It is simply average value of large number of measurements. In quantum mechanics, there are some problems are there. In that case, we have to find out the expectation value of position as well as momentum. We have to use this formula to find out its expectation value. Alternatively, it could be viewed as the average value of position for a large number of particles which are described by the same wave function. For example, the expectation value of the radius of the electron in the ground state, the expectation value of the radius of the electron in the ground state of the hydrogen atom is the average value you expect to obtain from making the measurement for a large number of hydrogen atom. Come again, once again. The expectation value of the radius of the electron in the ground state of the hydrogen atom is the average value you expect to obtain from making the measurement of large number of hydrogen atom. In simple case, it is the average value of large number of measurement. While the expectation value of function of position has the appearance of an average of the function. Similarly, we have to find out expectation value of the momentum. But when expectation value of momentum involves the representation of momentum as a quantum mechanical operator. What is by operators, that we have to discuss in next lecture, but whenever we are going to find out the expectation value of momentum, we have to use a quantum mechanical operator, that we will discuss in next slide. The position expectation may be written as position vector of x is equal to minus infinite to plus infinite psi star x psi dx, psi star x psi dx or x psi star psi dx, both are same. Okay. Now similarly, momentum expectation value. Classically, momentum is nothing but the product of mass into velocity, or velocity is nothing but the rate of change of displacement with respect to time, m into dx by dt. But quantum mechanical, it is a p which is equal to m into d by dt into expectation value of x. As we discussed in above slide, the expectation value of x can be written as m into d by dt minus infinity to plus infinity psi star x psi dx, psi star x psi dx, where psi and psi star are the function of x and t. Okay. Now, if we differentiate first, because there are two operations are there, we have to differentiate with respect to time, as well as we have to integrate within limit minus infinity to plus infinity. In that case, dx is remains outside. Dou by dou t psi star x psi star x of t x into psi x of t plus psi star x of t x dou psi x of t dou t, because both psi star and psi varies with respect to time. In that case, we have to use a uv formula. If we differentiate first term, second term remains constant. If we differentiate second term, first term remains constant. There is a no dx by dt under the integral sign. The only quantity that varies with time is psi and psi star, and it is a variation that gives rise to change in x with time. Now, use a Schrodinger equation and complex conjugate to evaluate the above, and we have expectation value of momentum which is equal to h cross by 2i, h cross by 2i integration of minus infinity to plus infinity dx into dou square psi star by dou x square x psi minus psi star x dou square psi by dou x square. Now, dou square psi star by dou square is x psi is equal to dou by dou x of dou psi star dou x x psi minus dou psi star dou x into psi minus dou psi star by dou x into x dou psi by dou x. First, my aim is to find out dou square psi star by dou x square into x psi, the first term of right hand side. If we simplify that, it gives dou by dou x in bracket dou psi star by dou x into x psi minus dou by dou x psi star psi plus psi star dou psi by dou x minus dou by dou x psi star x dou psi by dou x plus psi star dou x dou psi by dou x plus psi star x dou square psi by dou square. This means that the integrator has the form dou square psi star dou x square x psi minus psi star x dou square psi by dou x square is equal to dou by dou x into dou psi star by dou x x psi minus psi star x dou psi by dou x minus psi star psi plus 2 psi star dou psi by dou x. If we substitute that value, because the wave function vanishes at infinite, the first term does not contribute and the integral gives expectation value of momentum is equal to minus infinite to plus infinite dx into psi star x of t into h cross by I dou by dou x into psi x of t, where h cross by I dou by dou x is nothing but the momentum operator. Okay. The position expectation value can be represented as expectation value of x is equal to minus infinity plus infinity psi star x psi dx. Similarly, if you want to find out the expectation value of momentum, in that case x can be replaced by the momentum operator, that is minus I s cross dou by dou x. Okay. Expectation value of momentum p is equal to integration of psi star p kappa psi dx. Instead of p, you have to write a momentum operator, that is minus I s cross dou by dou x, or expectation value of position is equal to integration of psi star x psi dx. Means by using the expectation value of position, we can find out the expectation value of momentum. There is simple derivation, but this kind of derivation cannot be asked in the university exam. They give some problems. By using that, we have to use this expectation value formula to solve that kind of numericals. We are going to solve some numerical problem also on the expectation value in tomorrow's lecture. If you have any doubt related with the expectation value of position and momentum, you can ask me. A simple formula is there. If you want to find the expectation value of position, which is equal to integration of psi star x psi dx. If you want to find out the position where expectation value of momentum, which is equal to integration of psi star p psi dx. That's it. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.